Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be filming a clean with me. I was bored and I decided to clean my room. It needed doing anyway. So I'm just gonna basically speed everything up so you guys can watch it. These videos are so satisfying as well. So yeah, please subscribe down below and hit the like button, and let's jump on into the video. This bit of me now is a completely different day to the clean with me, by the way. That's why I look different in the next few clips. So yeah, enjoy the video guys, bye. This is the before. please just excuse this. I need to put it under my bed, but me and my mum are going to do that together. I've taken it off the back of my desk, so just excuse that. But yeah, I have finished tidying and I feel so much better for it. So guys, I never actually ended the video properly, but please subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.